It's the morning of filming the next Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. So I decided to wake up early, stretch. Then I went and made a cup of coffee. I drank such coffee while looking out the window, although I don't know why I was looking out the window because it was dark. I couldn't see anything anyway. Then I decided to brush my teeth, change my clothes, and head out the door. By the way, I'm headed to River Park where I'm going to film this week's episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. All right, so the sun is coming up. I mean, I got here early, it was still dark. I am still on the hunt for my best drone shot. And you guys are really helping, and I thank you for that because I posted my last video and asked for you to vote on your favorite shot, and a lot of you did. I got my phone here. I'm gonna read some of the comments that you guys made. And I really appreciate you watching, taking the time to watch the video and to actually vote on your favorite shot. But Christine, guys, you gotta check out Christine's channel. Christine made a comment, really nice, Christine, thank you. She said, "Hi Scott, they all look amazing. But unfortunately, they all can't win, Christine." I'm kidding. She said, "Hi Scott, they all look amazing. The view on its own looks amazing." And I thank you for that, Christine. I mean, you did say, my apologies, I'm not able to help much because you couldn't decide on which one to vote for, but to be honest with you, you really did help in a way because you helped my confidence. I mean, I've been flying a drone for a while, but I am not a professional by any means, but these videos, for me, just give me a chance to do something with my drone footage. You know what I mean? I go out, have a hobby, fly my drone, get all this nice footage. I want to know what my best drone shot is, and thank you, Christine, for giving me the confidence and to keep going, right? All right, next comment. But David, he knows what shot's the best. He said, and I read, "Shot one is the best." Maybe you're right, David. I mean, my wife, Rose, agreed with you because she made a comment too. Thank you, Rose, for making a comment. And she thought shot one was the best too. But he says he hasn't been to that spot in a year and a half. You've been to the Jensen Beach Inlet before? That's cool. When he attended the South Florida drone meeting? What? Are you telling me there's a South Florida drone club I don't know about? David, you gotta hook me up. I need to know about this. Message me about that. Maybe we go fly our drone together. Or next time they have a meetup, maybe we could meet there. That'd be cool. But thanks, David, for making a comment. But channel Saigon Vietnam 4K had a different opinion. They said drone shot 2 was the best. And they could be right because Yvonne, she voted for the same one. She said, "I like the second one too." But DNB Travels, they disagreed with both David, Rose, and Yvonne because DNB Travels said, "Hello, and good to see you again." Good to see you too. Shot 3 was the best one for him. And he also said, "Have a great new week." Well, thank you. You have a great new week too. But the shot that won, and man, was it a close contest. I mean, within a couple of votes, it's so close. But the shot that won was shot 2. Thank you for everyone that voted, and thank you for everyone that made a comment. I guess all we have to do now is put the drone back up in the air, try to get some more shots for this week. All right, so here's the rules. I'm gonna put my drone up. I am going to try to film 3 amazing shots. Your job is to vote on your favorite shot in the comments. I'm also going to include the shot from last week, so there's going to be 4 shots for you to vote on this week. Help me find my best drone shot. Okay, those were the shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comment. As always, thank you to everyone that watched the video. Thank you for voting, and if you made it this far in the video, wow, thank you very much. You have a wonderful day. I'm Scott, and I'll see you guys in the next video.